What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul, and this one I am excited for because this is the case that probably I will be rocking for a long time. I've rocking this, couldn't let me get it. So this is the one that I'm even rocking on my Pixel 10 Pro XL right now. It is of course the Thinborne case, and this is what's going to be I'm going to be rocking on my 17 Pro Max. Comes in the usual carbon fibre case with Thinborne in gold on the top. If you open it out, see that little indent already? That is obviously for this camera platter. So if you take this little foam piece out, there is the case, nice and thin. Ooh, that looks good. Identify the essential, eliminate the rest. Case made from armor fibre, making it durable. Fingerprint smudges are inevitable with all armor fibre cases. Use a towel to clean them. Improper uninstallation can cause damage to the case, as we know. 6-month manufacturing warranty, service guaranteed. Mindset of a minimalist. Then you get, which is a nice touch to be honest, but I just don't fit it unfortunately. It's a screen protector. So they give you a free screen protector, which is great service to be honest. You don't really get that with some manufacturers now. So let's get that out the way. Let's bring it in. So yeah, it looks the part. Nice Thinborne logo in black here, so it is definitely, you know, the more minimal case. Feels nice and light, as per normal. The black camera bar for the plateau looks great on the case. Bring in the scale. Give it a quick weigh and see what it's coming in at. So place it on, 24 grams. That's super light. So then if we slap in the deep blue 17 Pro Max, place it in like so, just sits in dead nice, really nice. And then we place it on like so. We're looking at 267 grams. Not bad at all, not bad at all. Looking at it now it's on the phone, as you can see. Really does look the part, but it looks great, especially with that deep blue colour peeking out at the top. And of course you use your own buttons, so your camera control, your power, and your volume and your action button on this side. There's cutouts on the bottom right here, so this is where you basically you're sliding your phone off for ease of use. That's why these little gaps are here. Cutout for your speaker, your mic, and your charge port, and then the cutouts on the top there too. That looks really good. So as you can see, it's nice and easy. You just put your finger on the camera and you just slide off from the top. Clips back in. We just slide off from the top. So nice and easy. It's a good looking case. So as you can see, cameras are nice and recessed into that housing, so you can go ahead and place it down like so. Now I am still using a matte screen protector, but unfortunately it sits above this case, but it doesn't. If you didn't have a screen protector on, you could put it face down, as the lip around the case does sit above the phone. But unfortunately a screen protector it adds a little bit more obviously to the case. You can just about make it out there. You can just see it's peeking above the case. So unfortunately you can't place it face down. I mean, you can if you want to, you know, put it down on your screen protector. You can do that. Personally wouldn't. But let's bring in MagSafe. So let's bring it in. Let's slap it on. Slaps on really nice. That's what it's going to look like with the Apple one on, the white one. So this is the original, the Lightning. But let's give it the shake test. Oh my god, that's super strong. Jeez. So let's bring in the Nomad base stand, and of course this test is to test out the strength of the MagSafe. But I think we already know. I mean, slaps in, it's now charging, and I mean, not a single issue there at all. It just picks up and it's there. Fantastic. Just fantastic. As always. I am going to be rocking this case now for a little while. Obviously I've got more cases still to come. It may change, but for now this is the one I'm rocking. I think it looks fantastic. I really do. I'm even rocking it on the Pixel 10 Pro XL right now, and it looks great. It really does, and it does get a lot of compliments. And that's where I'm going to point you right now. So if you go down into the description down below this video, and I think the first pinned comment will be the same. It'll be my affiliate link. It won't cost you guys any extra, and I believe, but don't tell Thinborne, I believe there's still a discount code down there. So if you use that discount code, you get some discount on your case. But don't tell them. Don't be emailing them saying, hey Paul, I got that discount code, you know, don't tell them that. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I think this is fantastic, and as I say, this is what I'm going to be rocking alongside my Pixel 10 Pro XL. I've been excited to get this case in and it's still one of the better cases on the market right now. Super thin, super light. It's nice and minimal. You're not going to get scratches on your phone. It's going to protect it a little bit, you know, from the camera side anyway. And of course, you've got a screen protector. You're going to be protected that way too, but you're not going to get any like chips on like the edges of your phone. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Is there something you would consider for your phone? Have you had a Thinborne case before? Let me know that too. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. If you like this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. Turn the notifications on. And I'll see you in the next one, which is again coming straight up because there's tons still to go. But this is, yeah, I'm excited for this one. This is one I've been waiting for. Catch you guys soon.